Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. Let's move to the way of education. Today we are learning a very interesting topics. The topics which we are going to learn today are 2-letter words and 3-letter words. So let's begin. Let's learn 2 letters first. As you all guys already learned alphabets A to Z, let's see who will be answering my question first in the comment section. How many alphabets are there in English? What are these words and how do they made? Do you know students? आपको पता है words are made by these letters A to Z जो हमने सीखे हैं. 2-letter words am, am, at, an, as, beb, he, in, iss, iff, it, on, off, os, ox, up, us. ये वो वर्ड्स है जिसमें सिर्फ 2 लेटर्स होते हैं. लेट्स मूव टू 3-letter वर्ड्स. bat, bat. Revise with me students. cat. It's a cat. It's very cute, right? hat, hat. hat. mat, mat, the mat which we sit on it. And let's have some more examples. And after this video, all of you practice and learn these words well and then show it to your parents. Let's learn some more 3-letter words. sat, rat, pat, had, bad and lad. bed, led, met, cat, net and fet. cot, hot, not, lot and dawn. cup, so hat, but, nut, gun and bun.